Good morning, world. I'm at the farm. It's been a while since we've been here. My boyfriend, Lord and Moogle are working on putting up a greenhouse. Not really helping right now. I did clean up their cars a little bit, so. And why am I rocking a sweater when it's perfectly dry out? It's because the wind is actually very cold and the sun is very bright. So it's awesome. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm actually sitting on the tractor, so look at that. Sitting on the tractor. And look, this is my favorite part to any tractor. You zoom in right there. Here's a turtle. And there's a bunny. Yay! They're 1/4 into it, so I'm gonna go help with, I guess, maybe, in a little while, later.